Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm Mansi Sangvi Bhayani, your mental health ninja, and I'm here to give you a little bit more insight on what exactly is mental wellness. Today's episode is going to be focused on, do you have to be mad to take mental health support? Isn't it important to take mental wellness seriously without having a mental illness? So mental illnesses क्या होती हैं? पहले I'd like to explain that. A mental health problem could entail from anything as big as having simple disorders like OCD, depression, anxiety, or it could be some basic things like not having good self-esteem, enough self-confidence, not being able to put yourself out there, having some social anxiety. Sometimes it could be neurodevelopmental disorders for children. Sometimes it could be as simple as not being able to communicate with with your partner, or not being able to develop healthy relationships or develop boundaries in a relationship. These all can come within the spectrum of mental health problems. It could be as severe as bipolarity, schizophrenia, delusions. It could be borderline personality disorder. ये सारी चीजें बहुत भारी लग रही है. But mental health is not only about, or mental wellness, I would like to say, is not only about when you're actually diagnosed with these disorders. Mental wellness is also utilized, sustained, and maintained in our lives in order to keep our physical and mental balance, so that we ensure that our careers, our relationships, our families, our own health are all kept at a good balance and pace. So, how does mental health and mental wellness help us? It helps us. A therapist would help you in which ways? It will make you more aware about yourself. It will make you understand about your strengths, weaknesses. Along with that, you don't always have to have a problem to come for therapy. It is always for preventive cure as well. Early intervention will always help you become more aware about the kind of concerns or issues you will have. For example, अगर आप शादी कर रहे हो, या आप अपना करियर शिफ्ट कर रहे हो, या अगर आप प्रेग्नेंट होना चाहते हो, या अगर आप कोई नए शहर में जाके अडेप्ट कर रहे हो, आप बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टीज फेस कर सकते हो. समथिंग एज बिग एज शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम अडोलेसेंट टू यंग अडल्टहुड. ये सारी चीज़ों में हम आपकी लाइफ थोड़ी स्मूथ बनाते हैं, आपको एजुकेट करते हैं, और आपको रेडी करते हैं फॉर डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस, जिससे आपकी कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म्स बेटर डेवलप हो सके और आप अपने लाइफ में और स्ट्रेंथ, रेजिलियंस और अपने वीकनेसेस को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए भी रेडी हो सको. So you don't always have to be mad to take therapy. You can be an absolutely mainstream, well-functioning person and still come to a counselor and have a coffee with them.